Sciatica nerve pain relief is possible. In this video, we will give you 3 exercises you can do right now to help ease your sciatica pain. First, how tight are those hamstrings? If they are too tight, they can really strain your lower back and aggravate your sciatica pain. Try a seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the very edge of a chair and stretch out one leg on the floor, heel touching the floor and toes up. Keeping your leg stationary, slowly bend forward at the waist until you feel a thorough stretch in your hamstring. Simply repeat this exercise on both legs, 5 times each. Second, see if the pigeon pose works for you. Lie on your back and bring your left leg up into a right angle, placing both hands behind your thigh. Now lift up your right leg and place your right ankle on your left knee. Hold the position and breathe deeply. You will feel a wonderful stretch in a little-known muscle called the piriformis, which often becomes swollen and puts pressure on your sciatic nerve. Repeat this process a few times, alternating legs. Third, try to stretch your spine, slowly and carefully, with a seated exercise. Sit comfortably on the floor with your legs together and straight out with your toes up. Bend your left leg and cross it over the right leg, putting your left foot on the floor just outside of your right knee. Then simply prop up your right elbow on the outside of your left leg and very slowly twist your torso to the left. Hold a few seconds and breathe deeply. Repeat several times, alternating sides. Try these 3 exercises for sciatica pain and see if they make a difference for you. Leave a comment below on how they work for you.